Showed up on the worst day, umbrella turned inside out. Coffee on my sleeve, sky shouting. You just laughed it off. Somehow you're a rose between raindrops, blooming in the mess I'm in. Soft red in a grey world, color on my tired skin. And the storm won't stop, and the street feels like it'll sing. You're a rose between raindrops, pulling me back from the brink. Bus stop, soaked through my sneakers. You traced hearts and fogged up glass. Said nothing ever stays this heavy. Watch the thunder roll right past. Your rose between raindrops, looming in the silence. Soft dried in the grey world, color on my tired skin. When the storm won't stop, and the street feels like it'll seek. Your rose between raindrops, pulling me back from the brink. One day the clouds will empty, sidewalks dry silently, but I'll still feel your petals pressed inside my memory. Oh, your rose between raindrops, blooming in the mess I'm in. Soft red in a grey world, color on my tired skin. When a storm won't stop, and the street feels like it'll sing. Your rose between raindrops, you're the reason that I think I could make it through the downpour if I'm standing here